Hey everyone, welcome back to another PS Vita homebrew video, and today we're going to be looking at the Custom Themes Manager. This amazing application allows us to download pretty cool custom themes directly onto our PS Vita. All you have to do is just have your Wi-Fi enabled and connected. So right now the application should be working, and some people have had some issues where you were not able to get to this page to load up and actually start downloading some of these pretty cool themes. There was an issue for a couple weeks where the website was down, and the original author or the developer of this application let us know through Twitter that it wasn't going to be available until September 1st. So there was a mirrored repository. There was a website, a mirror website for the repository. I checked the website out and it wasn't working, and it was only available to download and browse. You weren't able to submit, validate, or use the PS Vita app whatsoever. So you had to go online on the computer and download these themes and install it directly. But here we are, September 1st, and we are good to go. The application is working just fine. And we're going to go through this and take a look at some of the latest and greatest updates to the PS Vita custom themes available to us here on this application. I haven't been here in a couple months, so I'm very excited to see what's new. Or maybe there's not a whole lot of new themes, but there's now 1,600 custom themes available with over 260 pages. That is insane. And one of the things that's very interesting about this whole custom themes manager is that you can actually see a lot of details when it comes to these themes, and I really like that, where the users actually can validate if this theme is working or not. And there's just a lot of information, and I really like that. I like to see a lot more information than less. So yeah, a lot of anime themes. Looks like the community just loves anime. Nothing wrong with that, but I'd love to see a little bit of variation here and there, or a variety is what I'm trying to say. But here's a Vita OS 16. Let's take a look at this one. So here, once you click into a theme you like, we have the author, created by, the version, how many downloads they received, a validation score, 100%, so 75 people validated that it's working, and the description says a theme inspired by Apple's operating systems. I used to be a big Apple geek back in the day, but moved on to PCs, regular Microsoft PCs, gaming PCs, and Android phones. Was really big into Apple phones and computers and stuff and that whole environment. But I didn't like how you were kind of stuck in a box. Press start to write the above. Alright, let's do that. Perfect. Let's see. I want to disable the music here. So circle. Okay, cool. There we go. We disabled that annoying music. Also, if you had to rebuild your database, I wanted to give a quick tip here. So if you're looking at themes, like you're going through your themes and like, hey, I had a whole bunch more than this, right? You're like, what happened? And you had to rebuild your database. What you'll have to do is go to your local folder, and it's going to scan your custom themes folder, where the path where all these themes are going to be downloaded to. And it says right there on the right hand side that in this list you can find all of the folders currently in the UXO custom theme folder, which contain a theme.xml case sensitive file inside them. So here are all of my themes that I previously downloaded. I got a lot of themes and a lot of stuff that I test here and there, no big deal. But this is where you would find it. This is where you would press start to add it to your database. For example, the Mortal Kombat Deception is not added, so all I have to do is press start, and it's successfully installed, which is pretty easy. And now we'll have the Mortal Kombat Deception available to us right there. So it's very easy to reinstall your custom themes and find those missing custom themes that you downloaded in the past. And I love that about this this whole setup. This application overall is super squeaky clean. I love the icons here on the front page. I love how they display the themes and how easy it is to download. It's by far one of the best applications for the PS Vita, and I highly recommend you guys to install it right away on your system. So let's check out this iVita OS 16 and see what we got. Alright, so let's go back home and see how clean this is. Do we have any audio coming from the background? I'll make sure to increase the volume. I do have a Bluetooth auxiliary port going on, so now we have some audio actually coming from my PS Vita, which is great. I'm very, very stoked and happy about that. So yeah, clean background pages or background wallpapers. Let's check out the icons. Super clean as well. Friends, PS3 remote. Where are my other default? Here we go. Videos. That's the Apple TV. Trophies, settings, and browser. Very nice. Let's check out the lock screen real quick. There it is. Very simple. And I like the little Apple icon at the top right hand corner. Looks really nice. Very good. So yeah, guys, that is the custom themes manager. I hope I was able to answer some questions regarding this amazing app, and hopefully you were able to download some of the themes you're looking for in this app, and also reinstall some themes that you might have thought that you lost but you didn't. It's saved regardless, even though if you rebuild your data base, you'll have it saved on your memory card, as long as your memory card doesn't get corrupt. But there you go, there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you think. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos and streams here on the channel. Thank you, take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.